Right, look who we have here. He is doing it. He is doing it. It's the red-head woodpecker. Yes, cleaning, and yes, come on, guys, show yourself off. Show yourself. That's right. You see, he's climbing, but he's very camera shy. He's behind. Come on, show yourself off. Don't be. All right, now I have to. Come on, keep on cleaning. Yes, good. All right. Truck. Hoppa, there you go. All right. This is how he does it. He cleans everything in here in this thing. He has like a little house built for him. Yes. That's the whole thing.